Alright, so this is going to be a video of this Westinghouse dual ceiling fan that I got in my local Habitat Restore. That's because I volunteered there. And then I furnished ceiling fans to see better nation. And then I fixed fans and lighting. Or I washed fans and lighting. And what do I do? I'll start with the light kit. And I haven't seen where I forgot it. I forgot it too. And I do not even know what kind it is. No, I'll turn it off. And I'll begin at the high speed. It wobbles a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just quite a bit yawning. So what's more? Awesome work. Medium. Medium. Wait. Nope. No, that's the light. Medium speed. Hey! I said medium speed. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yep, medium speed. I wonder who could that be? Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back now. Low? 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 I said low speed. Come on! I'm not playing with you. Come on, man. I'm not playing with you. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Yep, exactly what I thought. It wobbles a little bit, but that's higher. Okay, I'll show you the light kit once more. But still, I gotta do a look at it. Oh. I'll show the light kit once more. And I almost forgot to do something. Like I didn't even know what's something. I'll turn that off. Okay, that is it for the Westinghouse dual ceiling fan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, like, comment, share, link below, subscribe.